Alright, I'm going to show you how to install the Shenanigan Ranch information tracker. So, first you're going to want to go to site.shenaniganranch.com and you can download the .py or the .exe and then do the .exe and you'll just wait for it to download. Alright, it is all downloaded now. I haven't signed it yet, so just ignore that. If you want to look at the code to make sure it's not malicious, you can. It's on the GitHub. And then of this, you only need to specify the install folder name if you're planning on installing multiple instances of the app. So for this one, I'm going to track cats tracker, and then go for your GitHub access token. This will be probably, if you bought the app, it'll be in your email or something, and if you don't have one, if you haven't purchased the app, then you can purchase a access token, and you can contact us and we'll send you a access token. Yeah, this is what the access token will look like. I'll reset this access token before I upload this video, so it won't work. And then this is just a bunch of stuff. You can choose whether you want the application to run on startup. And we are just going to do install. And let's wait for it to install. Successfully completed its install. Go click OK. And if you look on, let me minimize this. If you look on your desktop, you'll have a new thing right here, a shortcut. If you want to install it again, we can install it again for dogs. Completed the dogs installation successfully. Click OK. And now there's the dogs too. You can click to run it. Just click allow. And you can also run another one. This is the dogs one. You can have multiple you can have multiple instances of the app running on the same port on the same device, but they will use different ports. Now if you open your web browser and go to we'll just do localhost for now. You'll see it right here. And then there's some more instructions here. You'll want to set the main thing you need to set is just the base URL. That's the only thing that you need to set. And there's instructions on how to set the base URL in here. But we're not going to set it right now. We're just going to register a snake. Test snake 1. This is, I think, dogs tracker. You can also remove attributes that you don't want to use in here. But now we're going to go into, back to home. That'll show up here now. We can also go to the other one, 481. And there's not any snakes on this one. We'll do register testing snake 2. This is Cat's Tracker. And there's testing snake 2, and if we go back to just localhost, there's testing snake 1. You can also download backups, restore backups, stop the server. Now it's stopped. It'll also show up in here. You can do Cat's Tracker. That'll show up in that search menu. You can also, if you want to uninstall it, you can go to apps, install the apps, Cat's Tracker right there. You can also see all your instances. We can uninstall it for both of them. Huh. Oh yeah, I forgot to stop the other one. That's why. You gotta stop them before you uninstall them. What? Alright, well, we're just there. It deleted the files, so it didn't load properly and install. It could delete everything except the exe. Now I should be able to install properly. There we go. And by default, it will install in the %app data % directory. Right there. Do the app.js if you want to. And if you need to, you can edit the code as well. There's this right here. The files right here. Banner. All the stuff. You can change anything in the code you need to. But it's highly customizable, so you probably won't need to change any of the code. But if you do, it's right here. Just whenever you update it, it'll overwrite your changes, so you'll have to remake any changes you make. And if you want to update it, you can just reinstall it for that name. You'll have to update it for each instance you make. Yep. I'll go ahead and install it here too. And here is the no, not that. The where is it, bro? The installer or something. It's right here. It's the installer. If you want to look at the installer code, make sure it's not malicious. The installer repository is public because you still need the access token to clone it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll make more like things, videos for the instructions. See you later. I changed it so that they no longer run on different ports by default. You have to go in and manually change the port. do that here. Make size. 80. Size. And now they can do it.